Hey guys, in this makeup look I'm doing a tutorial using the Meant to Be palette from ColourPop as well as some Super Shock shadows also from the line, and this one is a little more wearable than the other one even though I feel like they look similar. I don't know, I'm gonna have to go back and look at my other look to see if they're similar. Anyways, I will link the other video for you on screen as well as the information box in case you want to check it out at the end of the video. If you'd like to see the look, keep watching. Starting off by filling in my brows. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. Underneath that, I'm taking concealer. This is Studio Sculpt Concealer in NC42. I'm just using a flat, stiff brush for this. Now I'm just blending it out. I'm going to hydrate my lips because they're super dry. Except I'm going to use my ColourPop Lippy Scrub that I don't really use that often. Wow, I've just started using it. This is Matcha Love. It was actually in the Mint collection. I've actually just started using these because this is like my third or fourth one and I don't use them. And I should because my lips are always chapped. So I'm scrubbing with a wet rag. Then licking off the extra. It tastes good too. I love edible lip products. Missed the spot. Now I'm going to take some lip balm. This is Burt's Bees Rosemary and Lemon Lip Butter. I'm just putting a lot for now. I'm going to blot later. I'm just putting a little thicker layer so my lips can become well hydrated as I do my makeup. Today I'll be using my Meant to Be palette as well as the ColourPop Super Shock shadows because I didn't use those in the last look. There's two in the collection, or two that I have. I think there's just two completely. I believe last time I did a more dramatic look, so this time I'm going to do something a little more wearable. But for starters, I'm going to take my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is a nice primer. So I should put on my finger first. Oh my gosh, that's way too much. I have a makeup rag handy, so I'm going to clean off the extra in there. Okay, so as I said, I'm going for more of a neutral look. So for the crease, I'm going to take this color called Get Fresh. This is from the Meant to Be palette. Taking this color here. I'm taking something fluffy for this. This is a MAC 224. It's a Sigma one, but it's the same thing kind of. It's kind of falling apart though. I need to throw it away. I'm going to start with this. Let's see how we're looking. Yeah, this brush sucks. Look how it's shedding. I'm done. I'm throwing it away. I don't like. I'm gonna take the MAC one. It's the same brush, but this one is better. I'm gonna go on top of that color actually. This time I'm taking Seltzer. It's the color right below it. This one. This is gonna add some more color. Still gonna keep it pretty washed out as far as intense. Well, it's gonna be intense, but it's not gonna be super bright. Dusting it off, taking a brown highlight, using my go-to Urban Decay Foxy. I'll tweeze later. I don't see my, oh, I see. I see some hair and it's annoying me, so I need to get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of this hair. I'm just going to go back with that brush and make sure all the hairs are gone, which they're not. The majority should be gone. I'll actually tweeze them later. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with my lid color. I'm going to take a Super Shock shadow now. This one is called Meant for You. Taking my finger, I find that's the easiest way to apply these. You can see how pigmented that is right there. Wow. Taking this over the lid, both sides. And it's only so far I can go in because my nails are longer. So it's like I'm struggling to get in the inner corner. I really want to, but we'll use a brush for it, no worries. Okay, so now I'm going in with a brush. This is a MAC 239. I'm going all the way on the lid, but not so much the tear duct because I'm putting something else there. Going back in the crease with Seltzer. And lastly, that brown highlight again, just to buff out the outer edge. For the inner tear duct, I'm taking a lighter color. Taking one in the palette. This is Mojito Mommy. I believe I'm taking that one. Yes, that color there. I'm taking the same brush I just used, dusting it off, and this is going into the tear duct. And around the inner corner. For the lower lash line, I'm taking this darker green eyeliner. It's called Vaseline. It's a cream gel liner. This is also going to waterline. Just realized I didn't do my outer V, so I'm going to do that now. Taking this Coastal Scents brush, and I'm going in with this color here called Chill Factor. I'm also applying this on the lower lash line. You can extend it into the inner corners. Actually, I was going to do eyeliner. I kind of don't want to now because I'm liking how it's looking without eyeliner at the top. So you don't always have to do eyeliner. I always do, but I'm going to skip it. But I'm going to take some more of that Meant For You color and just make sure I don't have any gaps, because without eyeliner, I won't be able to hide them. That seems good. I guess I could have also put this on wet too. Yeah, I'm going to skip eyeliner. Gonna go ahead and apply some concealer using that same one I used earlier, Studio Sculpt NC42. Trying to use this up because it's really time for this to be thrown away, but I don't want to throw it away. I hate wasting. So I'm just gonna apply some of this. It should be gone soon though. I don't have much left. Maybe. Like so. I'm gonna go into my crease. I see something that's not blended, and I want to make sure it's blended. Let's see what we have here. Also gonna extend some into the crease too. Some more. I know this is not supposed to be dramatic, but I always end up turning it into a dramatic look some type of way. It never fails. The foundation. As y'all know, I'm trying to use this up. This is a Dior Air Flash Spray Foundation 501. Way too light. I don't know. I need to throw this away, honestly. I don't know why I'm trying to hold on. I'm not gonna use that. It's too light. I can't. Instead, I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Faced Liquid Foundation. I'm just using a Morphe B27 to blend it out. It's a stiff, flat dome brush. Okay, I'm gonna apply some mascara first. This is the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. As you can see, this mascara defines pretty well, even without lashes. I don't have my macro lens on today, but it's pretty awesome without. But I still think I'm gonna put on lashes. I don't know. I just have to put on lashes. I'm gonna do lashes. Just because I'm so used to them, you know? I think I'm just gonna do the magnetic lashes today. Even though I normally do them with glue, I think I'm gonna try the magnetic again. These are Phonique Wispy from Allure London. I've used these so many times and they're still holding up. Oh, I have to wear eyeliner if I do that. I'm not gonna use the magnetic aspect because if I do the magnetic aspect of the lashes, I have to apply the eyeliner. I don't want to apply eyeliner, so I'm gonna do glue. Just using my duo. Yeah, when applying without eyeliner, you have to get it extremely close and precise. Otherwise, it will look crazy. Yeah, I know a lot of people use tweezers. I struggle using tweezers. I have to use my fingers. I know this backwards. A lot of people struggle with their fingers, but I don't know. It's just how I've always done it. Never ever. I don't think I've ever used tweezers. I just couldn't learn it for some reason. I guess, I don't know, afraid I was gonna poke my eye out. I don't know, but my fingers work just fine. But I'm sure it would be better if I had tweezers. Okay, that's about got it for now. I think I'm pretty good to go. just has to dry some. But if you don't use liner, make sure to get it extremely close to your lash line. And a way to check is to just look up into a mirror to make sure all your corners are sticking. And the main important thing is that your inner and outer corner are sticking. You want it to stick all the way across, but those are your two, more important areas. Okay, I'm gonna leave them alone for now. I'm gonna apply some highlighter now for that. I have this Fenty Beauty highlighter. Not really what I want to use, but I'm gonna use it because I don't feel like getting it. This is the Fenty Beauty Chills Freestyle Highlighter. And I think it's like a bluish one, if I can get it open. Yeah, it'll kind of go with this look, it's fine. This here. And I'm just gonna take a highlighting brush, fan brush. This is from Bare Minerals. This works perfect for highlight any type of fan brush. Yeah, this really complements the look well because it's kind of minty. It's like a minty tinted highlighter. Might be too much for some, but there's no such thing to me. I love it. It actually goes well. It's kind of matchy, so some people might not like that, but I like it. This is our new baby, Tyson. Say hey. Hey, look. He's like, why are you putting me on camera? Feeling's gonna get down soon. But yeah, this is our new baby. We adopted him. Oh, doesn't want to be on camera. It's okay. But yeah, we adopted him this past weekend. He's so cute. He's adorable. We love him. But yeah, continuing with the makeup. For blush and highlighter is actually perfect. For blush, I'm taking a ColourPop Flushed Super Shock Cheek. I think it's one of the Karuchi blushes. So Tyson does not want to be bothered. He just snuck out and then came right back in. So I have a blush brush now. This is the Bare Essentials Angled Face Brush. I think it's more of a bronzing brush, but it works perfectly for blush too. Have to kind of dig. I think these are also better if you apply with your fingers, but like, I don't like applying face products with my fingers unless it's like moisturizer. Okay, good to go on that. I like how this turned out, actually. It looks, I hope it's not too similar to my other one. I really don't think it is. My other meant to be makeup look. The lashes still on good? Great. Okay, I have a lip color here. It's a nude pink. This is Pixie by Petra. It's the Matte Last Liquid Lip and Pastel. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. This is the Pixie by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lip Pastel Petal. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna apply this. It's my first time using it, so we're gonna see. Before I do that, I'm gonna blot my lips. I said I was gonna do that. So my lips aren't over the top hydrated and it makes the lip color slide. So I still have a little moisture, but it's not over the top. It feels really good on my lip. And I think we're good to go on this look. That's it for my second meant to be ColourPop look. I think my second look, period. Because I feel like all of these colors, even though they aren't the same, they all look different, I feel like with the looks I do, they'll keep coming out the same. I mean, I kind of have another idea I could do that I might do. We'll see how I feel, but I feel like this one, even though I really like this look, it seems like it looks just like the other one I did. I really hope it's not. But I did use different colors. But yeah, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss anything. All outfit details, as always, will be linked below. My jumpsuit, my necklace, my earrings, all linked in the information box, as well as a blog post. Still have hair under my eye. Also, final pictures of the look, if you're interested in checking that out, as well as a list of products we used, will be on my blog. I will link my blog post down below. Talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.